Hey guys, so I'm here at Air Services Limited. We're actually just checked in. We're headed to Kaieteur Falls today. I've actually been a few times, but I'm still excited every time I get to go. I'm super excited. This is the front, so you walk in here to check in. We already did that. And hello, good morning. And we're actually, this is like a waiting area. It's actually, hello! She's so sweet. Some beautiful pictures. Oh, I think I took this picture, if I'm not lying. Could be. Oh, these are guys I used to work with. So this is the boarding area. See some staff pictures on the wall. So let's go into the room. Hello. And this we have the VIP lounge. Hi Nana.
Hi Ben.
Where are you right now?
I'm at the Potaro airport waiting to go to the Kaieteur Falls.
Okay, are you
My
excited?
two lovely granddaughter, my sister and my lovely wife.
Nice. You're excited?
Oh, I was excited. And this story dedicated to come on. So,
Stand next to him.
this story dedicated to this young lady standing next to me.
Aww.
She's the cause of us going to a Kaieteur.
Nice.
You have to thank her very much.
Thank you,
for
Nanny.
taking us.
Chevy,
My God.
how are you feeling about this trip? That's going on. I'm making sure that part goes. Hi, Grandma Maroon.
Hi.
How are you feeling? You're excited or nervous?
First plane ride.
Yes, so that's exciting. My sunglasses. Yes, sir.
I would like to introduce you to your tour guide for this afternoon. Her name is Candace. She will be in charge of you for the next 2 hours. Two safety tips: no smoking around the aircraft because there's fuel in the tanks, and careful is a hot exhaust. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Kaieteur.
Good afternoon.
Before we start off on our tour, it's in Guyana. In Guyana, there are 10 administrative regions, and Kaieteur Park is found in Region 8 within the Potaro-Siparuni Highland. When you have been flying around, you have been seeing those mountains that we have been surrounded with. They have their individual names, indigenous names, right? But when I start naming them, you might hear it through one ear and it comes through others. So in order to avoid that, we put it in one bracket and we call them the Potaro-Siparuni ranges. Range Mountains, or Pakurama Range Mountains, right? So Kaieteur National Park is one of the oldest protected area and the smallest protected area, which was discovered in 1929 in colonial days, right? And Potaro, the falls we will be going to view, is found on Potaro River. Potaro River, the sources of this river come from Mount Ayangana, which is the second highest mountain, Roraima being the highest, and that's the second one, right? And the streams go out to Essequibo River. It's flow to Essequibo, then to the Atlantic Ocean, okay? At the back there, I have my other guide. His name is Thomas John. So anyone who will be at the back, you're free to ask questions. I'll be in front, right? Bear in mind that we'll be going to 3 points. Each vantage point don't have no safety barriers. The first one is a bit challenging. You'll have to hike down, ups and down the steps, okay? So are we ready to go?
Yes.
All right, some part we'll be walking under slippery rock, some part under the primary forest. Kaieteur National Park have simple rules: strictly no littering, no plucking up anything that you're seeing in this park, right? Only thing you'll be doing here is killing time. Only thing you'll be taking with you are pictures and memories, okay?
Awesome.
What else? Oh, if we get to the point, right? There is no safety barriers, no safety rails. So if you are scared, stay 8 feet. If you are not, please don't prove it, right? So, no other than 8 feet when we meet there, okay?
This way. Okay.
How much are the falls around? Only one? Only Kaieteur?
So the tour guide was just telling us that the water down here is actually from the mist of the waterfalls during early mornings and during the afternoons.
Not so. This is a natural formation. This is called a conglomerate sedimentary rock. This sedimentary rock, we normally find this type of rock under sea or under the water or close to seabed, which means Kaieteur National Park was once covered with water, and now it is standing 1,500 feet above sea level, right?
Wow.
1,500.
So this is the oldest formation, which is 2.5 billion years old in Precambrian age, okay? This is made up of different minerals, including the gold and diamond that we know. But as I said, if you come across any, just say hi to it and leave it there, okay? It's sweet sticky nectar which attracts insects, and these plants mostly feed on mosquitoes. So
These
here at
red
Kaieteur,
plants
we
here.
don't use insect repellent, no mosquito repellent, no bug sprays at Kaieteur.
We don't. Where do we buy these? So our first view is Johnson's View.
Do you hear it?
Yeah,
I hear it.
I hear it. So those trees over there, that's where the golden frog normally lives. So hopefully we get to see one today. So my sister always hates when we wear matching clothes. We're twinning.
It's only for now. I'll take off the shirt.
It's a good exercise.
Yeah.
Where did my sister go? This wasn't all here before, right? This bridge and stuff.
Look at that.
It's so recently built.
Oh, that's what I said. I've
Did it
been here.
move or something?
No, well, this here is all natural here.
Natural.
Oh. Yeah, because I never came through this
This point,
point before.
well, before we used to take people around the other side.
Oh, okay. But there was still like 3 viewing points,
Yeah,
right?
because most of this point here used to be like for board watchers and stuff.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, so
okay,
due to the
okay.
other point closed, they opened
Uh-huh.
this one here.
Okay, so
So it's the same 3 point.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, but just different ways to
Yeah,
get
but
there.
we won't get directly on top of the falls. This
Oh,
strip
we don't
here.
go anymore.
Nope.
Oh, that was the best. Oh, look.
Well, these steps in the 1970s. They made it 3.5. order to get to the viewpoint, would
He was living in the area.
well, actually, he was the guy working on the airstrip to build the runway. So the rest of stuff that remained, so that's what he was to build these with. So he didn't waste anything. He make use of.
Yeah, because if you
These
notice the
Guyanese are English.
Danny, be careful. Turn around. Turn around. No.
Keep your heads low. Nani, be careful.
Go fast. Okay, go.
Do you want one?
I'll make you take one.
Keep your head low. Oh, wow. I know. On videos. Be careful.
Yes.
So, this is beautiful, beautiful Kaieteur. Just take that in. Well, you have to come here and experience it for yourself. These are the fruits. Anyone knows the name of the fruit?
Tufa.
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 I want to open like this. It's like a cave.
Come, smile. Turn around when you're ready. Everyone stop. Everyone turn. Okay, it's a bit dark.
So you just crawl out of there. So we have our tour guide, Candace. How long have you been working here,
2
Candace?
years here.
2 years. Wow.
Boy Scout View.
Oh,
Boy Scout View got its name from 39 British Boy Scouts, the group of British Boy Scouts. They came here 25th March 1932 and 23rd March 1937. So those blocks you're seeing there are remaining blocks of their camp. The part of their training was to hike a mountain called Oh My God Mountain, which is very steep mountain. So if you're at the bottom, you're like, oh my God, I wonder if I'll make it up, right?
How old
So-
were these Boy Scouts? How old?
They were young. So they were a group of Boy Scouts who came here. So in order to get here, there's another way of doing tour by overland, and it's a 5-day trip. For the first 4 days, you will be traveling by bus, by car, by boat to the Kaieteur Gorge, to the bottom of the Kaieteur Gorge. And that is where the hiking started from, and it takes like roughly 2 to 3 hours to get up here.
Wow.
There's a cabin called Oh My God, Thank You Jesus Campground. After climbing that Oh My God mountain, you will be resting there, okay? All right, just take a look on my right hand.
No, that's not her.
We have this plant. Can anyone tell me what's this plant?
You told us it was a bromeliad.
Yeah, it's a bromeliad. This is the second largest plant in the world. It grows to 19 to 20 feet tall or even more. This is also called the giant bromeliad, Brucina micrantha. Brucina micrantha is a Latin word meaning tank. Why they call it the tank is because it holds the water, like 3 or 4 gallons of water in its stiff upturned leaves. And this plant is also known to be the home of the golden rocket frog, right? The rocket frog spends its entire life settled in the plant.
The air is nice here. It's not hot.
Tang Bromeliad. I remember that. Oh my God.
Come.
What is it?
Don't touch the leaf and just push out.
Yes.
The one that over so.
Look, it's a baby one.
Oh yeah.
It's still yellow. Look right there.
Which one? That's the juvenile one. That's the baby one.
That's a baby one. Okay. And that's a date up there.
How far back is one?
So it's pretty nice and cool here. It's sunny some places. Best footwear are sneakers for this trip because there's the first viewing point I've never been to. It's pretty, what would I say, strenuous. There's a lot of walking, climbing.
Look at this leaf.
This is pretty easy. It's pretty smooth here, and because we're under trees, it's nice and cool, like really nice. Just we get out, it's hot.
Yeah, because there's a canopy of beautiful
Yeah, a
leaves.
canopy.
Does it have feather?
No.
Oh,
Very young.
Oh,
it's a tiny.
are you
Oh
holding?
my god.
No.
No,
it's
look,
in
it's
the
in the
nest.
nest.
Oh,
It has
That's
no
a bird?
feathers.
Yeah.
It's a bird. That's the way they hatch.
look how nice the
From
nest
eggs.
is.
And what's the name of it again?
Heliconia.
Heliconia.
Primary forest. The reason why the trees aren't getting taller is because the soil is on top the conglomerate sedimentary rock. So it doesn't have much soil for the roots to penetrate. That is the reason why the roots are
On
being
top.
spread out to keep the plant stable. Right? And this plant also depend on its own decaying layer because when you look on the soil, it's very poor and it's sandy. So it depends on the decaying layers in order to get their nutrients. Okay. We have two vines to look at here, which is did you see the kufa plant up there at the first viewing point? All right, this is the root coming down from that very plant.
Oh wow.
So this plant, we call it the Tarzan vine, it's local, but it's the root of Clusia glandiflora.
Can I swing on it?
Yes, sure. Really? So yes,
strong?
yes, it could hold double times of your body weight.
Wow.
And this bark, we use it for the medication of malaria,
Oh
right?
wow.
which is
After.
the Clusia glandiflora. And here, this is the root which is called the water conductor. This is Capadula.
Capadula.
And this have many purposes. It's for local Viagra's and also for headache and backache and so on. So in order to get water, they cut it twice to make the air hose so that the water will rush out. So we have the Capadula and Clusia. Any one of you would like to swing?
Yes,
Yeah.
Gary said it.
You want to swing?
Seriously?
Oh, nice.
Yes, I know.
Why? You don't make it. Not too high and not, just put your finger a little. Oh my god.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Yay!
You gotta do it back.
Cheers.
Sherry,
Good.
I want to go.
Go.
Wait. Oh, it's videoing.
Hold on tight. You take you with. You won't like. You can swing.
Some more. Yeah.
Okay. You gonna swing back?
Go.
Anyone else? Do you guys want to go?
I want to go.
Okay. There you go.
I will pass behind.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
You want to sing here, Rona? Oh, you.
Picture first.
Got it. Okay, I can't do it. Anyone else?
Yes, one.
It's Tarzan.
Let's see if it really swings.
It's Tarzan's
Tarzan.
Yes.
Okay.
Tarzan.
Well,
Vine.
not Jane?
Not Jane.
Oh, well, then we don't have to do it.
No, we have to.
Okay, seriously.
I got it. What do you see down there, Shami? Say hi. Where are you?
I'm by the Kaieteur Falls after this is the first time I'm coming here with my family, and I'm really enjoying it.
I'm
It's
glad.
nice store, nice sceneries, wonderful to be here. I don't want to go back, but I have to go. So wish all everybody the best. Hope you all get one day to come and see. Thank you.
And look, your daredevil granddaughter over there.
Not like this, not that, not like this.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, it's tasty.
Hey, until next time.
It's 8 days.
You were saying?
We're gonna hike back to where the aircraft is, and I think you get to relax a bit.
Oh, I'm in the video.
Yeah.
I like making my face.
Hi, everybody. Hello. Yeah.
A little creek.
I wonder where this water's coming from. It's black water. As Ray says, there's gold in the water. That's why it's that color.
Yeah, which one, like I said, I know.
You enjoyed the fall so far, Nana?
Oh yeah, I'm over putting a bit of light on.
They should get some hammocks here, right?
Huh?
After this hike, we need some hammocks. Very nice, very nice. We have our two pilots here, relaxing. Time to head back to Georgetown. I don't think anyone wants to leave. And who wants to leave needs a bed or a hammock. very, very old friend. Hey guys, so we just came back from our Kaieteur trip. I'm a few shades darker, I believe. Got a little burnt in the sun. It was an amazing trip. So we're back at Air Services. We're gonna head out back now. Head out on the road and head home. So I hope you guys enjoy our little adventure, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.